Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will have some fun. Actually, I just discovered that ChatGPT knows me. So what I'm trying to say, when I type my name here in ChatGPT, it will describe about me, about something about me as a person, as a software engineer and book author and content creator in the internet. So before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I'm a little bit surprised and happy to know that ChatGPT actually knows me, by accidentally I just type my name, Jake, my middle name, Rodriguez Pomperada, and then I press enter. It will give a conversation yes, about me, Who is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada? Okay, so we have here the report, because the first one I just typed Jake Pomperada. It is not specific because there are so many Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, I don't know, in the internet. But when I put the word who is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, so Jake Rodriguez Pomperada is a Filipino programmer and software developer known for its contribution to the programming community. He has authored several books and articles on programming languages, particularly focusing on languages like Pascal, C, and Assembly. Pomperada also been involved in various online communities and forums when he shares his knowledge and helps other programmers. His work spans educational materials, tutorials, and practical programming advice, making him a notable figure in the programming and software development spheres, especially within the Philippines and among Filipino programmers globally. Okay guys, so that's it, I'm happy that ChatGPT also recognized my contribution, especially in the field in software development and computer programming. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy watching this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.